Hale from First Impressions and Metro Sign Company, and this is my 2-second lien at my house. So we put in this doggy door. It's one of the Arcadia style doggy doors for our crazy dog. Here she comes, to be able to get inside and outside when we're not home. Well, in order to do that, we can no longer use the normal door lock on the back door. So we had to come up with something. So I had the brilliant idea, hey, let's just put a piece of PVC pipe down the crack of the door between the two doors. That way you can no longer slide the door. Okay, that's awesome, that worked, okay? But now we had the problem of constantly, every time we want to unlock the door now, we got to reach down here and grab the pole, take it out, so we can unlock the door, open the door. And every time we want to lock the door, we got to do this in reverse. Come down here, pick it up. So, the idea of tying a string to the pole and connecting the other side of the string just to the wall here. So now, when we want to lock the door, we just let the string go. Door is locked. We'll unlock the door. We just grab the string, prop it up, door's unlocked. Thank you for Barbara for helping me shoot this. Thanks to Sean for his idea on this. And here's my 2-second lien for the day. Saves a lot of motion this way. Have a great day.